Hi students, 12th standard computer science chapter 8 string and string manipulation. So last class we studied what is string and then how to modify the string and some string operators. So today we are going to learn about what is formatting operators and then how to use the format function and then escape sequence. String formatting operators. So it is one of the most exciting feature of Python. So the formatting operator modular symbol is used to construct a string and replacing the parts of the string with the data stored in a variable. So it is used to replace the parts of the string with what data stored in that variable. Okay. Now let us see syntax of string operator, formatting operator. Syntax: string to be displayed with value 1 and value 2, and then finally we are going to use the value 1 and value 2. Let us see the simple example for string formatting operator. Just we are going to store the value name Anu, mark 95, then print name. So name means it is a string, so here we used yes, and the next one is marks. So marks, numbers. So numbers means integer. For that we used a D. Now let us see the output of this program. So here we used the string formatting operator. Here we are going to store the name value in S and the marks in D. Now the result is name. What name is here? Anu. And marks. What mark is stored? 95. So it produced the result name Anu and marks 95. Now let us see some formatting characters and its usage. The first one is %C. So it is used for character. And next %D or %I. It is used for signed decimal integer. And the next one, yes, it is used for string. And next %U, unsigned decimal integer. And next %O, octal integer. Next one is %XR, %capital X. Here it is used for hexadecimal. Here we use the lowercase x refers small a to f and uppercase x refer capital A to f. And then %E or E, it is used for exponential notation, and F for floating point numbers, and G or G, it is short numbers in floating point and exponential notation. Escape sequence in Python. So starts with a backslash and can be interpreted differently. That is, when you have to use a single quote to represent a string, all the single quotes inside the string must be escaped. Similar is the case with double quotes. Now let us see the example for escape sequence. The first example is a string within triple quotes to display a string with single quotes. So within a triple quotes, we used a single quotes. So the output is they said what's that. Then the second example is string within single quotes to display a string with a single quote using escape sequence. So already we know that within a single quotes in Python, within a single quotes, we didn't use another single quotes because the interpreter will confuse that which one is the starting string and which one is the end string. So for that here they used escape sequence. So here they use single quotes and then here backslash and escape single quotes. So now let us see the output of this program. They said what is that. And the next example is string within double quotes to display a string with a single quote using escape sequence. So this is the example. Escape sequence in Python. Say escape sequence and its description. The first one is slash new line. It is used for backslash and new line ignored. Then double backslash. It is used for backslash and then a backslash and single quotes. It is used for single quote. And the next one is a double quote and a slash A bell and a slash B backspace. F means a form field. It is used for a new line. Slash N, it is used for line field. And then slash R, carriage return. So it is used for shift your cursor to the beginning of the string line. It is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the string line. And then slash T, horizontal tab, slash R, vertical tab, and slash O, it is used to character with octal value. And next one is character with hexadecimal value. Format function. So it is used with a string and used for formatting the string. The curly brace are used. A curly brace are used as a placeholder or replacement field which get replaced along with the format function. Now let us see this example for format function. In number 1 and then N2 int input number 2 and the next print the sum of the two values N1 comma N2 then N1 plus N2. So now here the first when we enter the value, that is for example when we it has int input number 1, so the number 1 40 and then N2 that is number 2 30 and finally it produced the result, the sum of the first bracket, it is a curly brace is used for num1 value, that is 40 and the second curly brace used for num2 is, and the third curly brace used for n1 plus n2 and then it produces the result 70. So here the format function, it is used for, it is the replacement field which get replaced along with the format function. It is used for replacing the value. Membership operators. So here the in and not in operator, in and The in and not in operators can be used with a string to determine whether the string is present in another string. So it is used to compare with the two strings. The string present in another string. So therefore these operators are called membership operators. Now let us see the example for membership operators. The first one is string 1, input, enter a string. And next string 2, here we give Xii. And next step we used if statement, if string 2 in string 1, print found, else print not found. So here in this program we are going to compare with the two strings. The first string input enter a string. So the output of this program is, so enter a string and then we will give welcome to Xii. So this is the first string, welcome to Xii, and then string 2 Xii. Here we are going to check string 2 in string 1. The string 2 is whether it present in string 1 or not. Already we know that in if statement, if the condition is true, it executes a true block. Otherwise, it executes the false block. So here, just we will check the string welcome to Xii. Then string 2 also Xii. Then so both string 2 is present in string 1. So the output of this program is it display the result true part, that is found. In case the string 2 is not present, means it executes the false part, that is not found. Thank you, students.